Guys, it's actually a late breakfast for me. It's already 2:30. And look, I cooked actually 3 sunny side up eggs, pieces of ham, and then pandesal. So it's like a breakfast platter in the afternoon. And then I have my milk coffee. So, ito si Butching, hindi talaga siya kumakain nito. Tapos, ayan, natikman niya. Pinatikim ko siya nung tinapay. I-dip natin sa yolk ng sunny side up. And then with the ketchup and everything.
And turns out it's very good.
You don't have to speak when your mouth is full na. Ano nangyari ngayon? Nagustuhan mo. So, ayan. It's like she's stealing my food once again. Always been like that. Mukhang ayaw niya sa umpisa. Pero, ending up, nagusto niya.
Something that looks yummy, I always take egg white. And when it's good, I'm gonna eat more.
That's what happened. And now you're gonna try the ham.
Yes. Because nasabi ko sa
With
inyo.
ketchup. Everything. Everything. You can do it. What? How's it?
It tastes like the ham that I'm beans.
Masarap tayo.
It was very yummy. You wanna know?
What combination do you like better? Yung pandesal with egg yolk and ketchup or ham lang?
I'm going to try another one.
Ano? Lagyan ko ng
Three
ham?
of them with together, ayoko nung like it.
Ayaw mo ng fat?
I don't want it.
Okay, ngayon hindi mo yung gusto, pero pag tumanda ka na yung gusto mo yan. How is it? Yummy? She actually started just sipping on my coffee and then pinatry ko nga yung egg yolk, yung pandesal and ketchup. Ayun, gusto ka niya.
Hindi. First up, na-try mo sa akin yung pandesal with egg yolk. And I said I like it with ketchup. And yan.
Ito na yun. Diba? Si ate naman, nagpapapak ng gata sa baba.
Ang saka sugar.
Walang fat.
Yes.
Kaya ko busog niya.
Almost nga.
Gustuhan niya na yung fat. Ako I like the fat kasi.
Meron ko yung fat.
Sa sinigang ayaw mo din ng fat no? Pero you like sinigang no? Favorite mo yung sinigang din.
Favorite yung yung cousin ko si Lele. Favorite ko din. Pag narinig si mama magsabi ng sinigang, sabi niya, sinigang? Ewan sinigang.
Lala. Baka si Bella gusto rin sinigang. Baka favorite mo yung Bella yun. Ang sarap itong buta. You want egg yolk with pandesal ulit?
No, I'm good.
Ako mo, sige na. So, yun lang guys. We're gonna be finishing our food. Kasi kaya ito yung breakfast, yung kinakain ko kasi I need to carbo load. Kasi mag-training na ako ng malala for my upcoming full marathon sa February. Oh my God, talaga. Kaso ayan, may buling din na nakikisaw-saw. So, it's okay. Kasi basta nagugustuhan yung pagkain at hindi inaaksaya dun sa ulo. Naging palaka na. Naging alimasag na. Yun lang guys. Labay na tayo.
Bye.
Ayaw ka, Miles. Haba na lang hair niya. Show them. Ganda, lalo.
My hair was like this and now it's like...
Ganito,
Yeah.
Ano yun siya kapos?
Yeah, but
Ayun,
Dati hanggang nandito, but now,
ang haba na, no?
yes.
Ganda ng hair niya.
Yes.
Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. We'll see you on our next vlog.